life moves too fast, precious moments last longer on a short break at Center Parcs.
Taste. It's different strokes for different folks.
Horses for courses.
A matter of taste. Whatever floats your boat. This is my taste. Diet Coke.
You found it then?
Of course I did. Good boy.
Here I go, ready now. I'm coming for you. Can't nothing stop me. I got some things I gotta do. Hey, 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 hey. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong. Ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hanging for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out.
Now's the time to make the move away from diesel to Toyota Hybrid Electric. Toyota, built for a better world.
Sing this with me now. If you want to keep the family home, carbon monoxide clear, then get your boiler service once a year. And always use a registered service technician, or you could end up brown bread in 3 minutes flat. So, if you care about your family flues and vents should be kept clear, and don't forget to clean your chimney once a year.
Sometimes there's things a man cannot know. Engines won't turn and the train won't leave.
We're making January feel a little less January with double club card points all month. Shop now and get the power to more.
Ready, set, go! The race is on! Team Sonic are back in your McDonald's Happy Meal to celebrate the release of the new movie Sonic the Hedgehog 3, only in cinemas now. Some fun, some food, it's all inside this Happy Meal.
New Pampers are Punami-proof, with a revolutionary Stop and Protect pocket to help prevent leaks at the back. So you'll never fear a Punami again. Pampers, Punami-proof or your money back.
I found a place full of charm.
Protect all those places where you can truly be yourself with AXA Car Insurance. And with accident forgiveness as standard, you can be certain we're the right choice to look after your me place. Get a car quote today at axa.ie.
It's that time of year again. With hundreds of things on sale right now, let your bum find its thing at DFS.
Welcome to BHI.
Healthcare's done differently here.
It's not just about connecting with you.
We're with each other.
Pediatricians and specialists and nurses who all work here.
So we're all on the same page.
Yours.
Our own clinicians and our own clinics.
Making progress. Yes, Kira. You're part of a wider healthcare network.
That takes a wider view of your health. Welcome to BHI.
I am Steve. As a child, I yearned for the mines, but something always got in the way.
Go on! Get out of here!
But the call of the mines was too strong. So one day, I started digging and digging until I found this. A wonderland where anything you can imagine is possible. As long as what you imagine can be built out of blocks.
Atta boy!
Where are we?
Wait, who are you again?
Garrett the Garbage Man Garrison. Gamer of the Year 1989. Whatever. I barely think about it.
Welcome to the overworld. Anything you can dream about here, you can make.
Now let's have some fun.
This place makes no sense.
Don't I know it?
There are dark forces who want to destroy this world. If we want to stop them, we're gonna need to create something amazing. Let's go to the stash.
This is our decision. Nothing we can do. We've got the vision. Now let's have some fun. Yeah.
What's this junk?
An ender pearl. Teleports you to wherever you throw it.
Yeah, right.
And that was the only one I had. No biggie.
We were fated to pretend.
Oh yeah, there's one more thing you need to know.
Great. Now it's dark.
Does that feel quick to anyone else?
Please don't stop the music.
In Smurf Village, every day is a party. Every Smurf has a job, like Grouchy.
I hate having a job.
Influencer.
Yo, what up, world? Coming to you live from Smurf Village.
And me, the coolest Smurf of all. This is how it's done, boys.
In Smurf Village, nothing ever goes wrong.
What is that?
Everyone, listen to me. Your lives are in terrible danger. Smurf Village isn't safe anymore. Go to the real world.
Oh my God, Papa Smurf's been kidnapped.
We've got to find out who's doing this.
Let's go save Papa.
Let's go Smurf it up.
DJ Khaled!
Whoa, where are we?
Paris.
Let me guess. Papa Smurf's in trouble.
Who are you?
I'm Kent, Papa Smurf's brother. Oh, sorry. I was just doing a quick exfoliation. I never have time for self-care.
Love that Kennedy.
Gargamel and his brother Rosamel have Papa.
Oh, I missed you, baby bro. Did you get my emails? No, I blocked you. Why? I got tired of looking at pictures of your cat.
What is this place?
Hey, Smurf, follow us. Let's show the real world what we're made of.
I think I just smurfed my pants.
It's time for you to find out what a Smurf really is.
Hang on!
Okay, here's the plan. We'll sneak into the castle and save everything.
all the fries.
Hey, I'm a stress eater.